Stop wasting money every month. If you feel like your paycheck disappears way too fast, you're not alone. Most people don't have a money problem, they have a budgeting problem. In this video, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly budgeting method that actually works, even if you've never budgeted before and hate the idea of budgeting. And no, budgeting is not about restricting yourself or never having fun again. It's about taking control of your money, instead of wondering where it went. When you have a proper budget, you can save more money, pay off debt faster, and plan for your future with less stress. Let's start with the first and most important step. Step 1. Know your numbers before you can budget. You need to know exactly how much money is coming in and going out every month. This means your salary, side income, or any other source of money. Then list all your expenses: rent, food, utilities, subscriptions, transportation, and even small daily spending. You can write this down on paper, use a spreadsheet, or use a budgeting app. The tool doesn't matter, accuracy does. Most people underestimate how much they spend, and that's why budgeting feels impossible. Step 2. Categorize your spending. Once you know your numbers, break your spending into 3 simple categories: needs, wants, and savings. Needs are things you must pay for, like rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Wants are things you enjoy, like eating out, shopping, entertainment, and hobbies. Savings include emergency funds, investments, and paying off debt. A very easy method to follow is the 50-30-20 rule. That means 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes to savings. This rule gives you structure without making you feel restricted. Step 3. Automate your budget. One of the best ways to stick to a budget is to automate it. Set up automatic payments for your bills so you never miss a due date. Then set up automatic transfers to your savings account. When saving happens automatically, you're less tempted to spend that money. This makes budgeting feel effortless instead of stressful. Step 4. Check in weekly. Your budget isn't something you set once and forget forever. Take 5 to 10 minutes each week to check your spending. See where you're doing well and where you might be overspending. If something doesn't work, adjust it. Budgeting is flexible. It should fit your life, not control it. Step 5. Adjust without sacrificing fun. A budget doesn't mean cutting all enjoyment from your life. If you need to save more, look for small areas to cut back without sacrificing what makes you happy. Maybe fewer takeout meals, fewer impulse purchases, or canceling unused subscriptions. Small changes add up faster than you think. Final thoughts. The goal of budgeting is freedom, not restriction. Freedom from stress, debt, and living paycheck to paycheck. Start budgeting today using these simple steps, and you'll feel more confident and in control of your money. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more simple money tips, and share this with a friend who needs it.